When rumors started flowing that the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 had gone the way of the dodo, that is to say, its time on Earth had come to an end, most people thought it was just the 2021 iteration of the phone that was canceled. Even Samsung's CEO said as much, but new information suggests that's not the case. By the way, guys, from which country are you watching our today's video? Please let us know in the comment section below. I and my team love reading your comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. According to popular leaker Frontron, posting on Twitter, Galaxy Note is dead. No more new products on bar-type Note series as of now. Bar type is presumably used to denote the non-folding products, which makes more sense when you consider the context. We'd normally expect the new Galaxy Note phone to debut at Samsung's August Unpacked event, but in 2021, we instead got the Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Galaxy Z Fold 3. The latter is presumed to be a spiritual Note successor, especially since it works with the S Pen stylus. Frontron even says Samsung is intentionally referring to the Galaxy Z series as the Note Z series instead. So we wouldn't recommend getting your hopes high for a Samsung Galaxy Note 22 in 2022, as if Frontron is correct, that phone won't exist. Instead, it sounds like the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will take its place, and maybe the Z Flip 4 will get a stylus too. The presumed logic behind Samsung replacing the Notes with the Folds is sound. Since the Notes were premium business-focused smartphones for professionals, a niche the Fold is also aimed at, Samsung would compete with itself by offering both lines. But that doesn't take into account the number of other smartphone users who like using a stylus with their smartphone. Budding artists could sketch landscapes, note takers could more easily scrawl quick lists, and this writer also knows older phone users who preferred using a stylus to their hands. This audience now has very limited options for a stylus-toting smartphone. The Moto G stylus line exists, but it's only really on sale in the US and also is a low-cost but low-spec device. In other countries, you're stuck with Samsung's high-cost Fold and Galaxy S21 Ultra now. Samsung likely saw Note profits as negligible with the Fold on the market, but stylus fans are probably desperately now hoping another brand steps into the fold to offer something similar. Or maybe Samsung will bring its S Pen to even more devices, like the Flip or Galaxy A series. So, what do you guys think about this decision made by Samsung? Will they continue selling the most demanded Samsung Note series, or will they end up hurting all of us, the Note fans? Let us know in the comment section. Okay guys, this was our today's video. I hope you liked it. If you really did, then smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our gadgets-friendly channel, Gadgets Times.